G'day folks, bringing you along to show you my tomatoes in my Dutch buckets and microponic system and see how they're going. Anyone new to the channel, if you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe and bell, and YouTube will let you know when I upload a new video. If you like what I do, please hit that like button, and thank you very much. Let's go and have a look, folks. Okay, cherry tomatoes are starting to ripen up now. Growing quite good. This is half the size. I had to cut half of it off, it was just getting too big. So this is half the size of what it was. So I'm quite pleased for the first time out using these Dutch buckets, and they've worked quite well. Lots of ripe tomatoes that I will be picking off today. So a few more there. They're starting to ripen up everywhere. Looking really good. I'm happy with the crop that's on there. Yeah, I would suggest, if you want, use Dutch buckets in your system. Grow your tomatoes in them. Next year I'm going to grow my cucumbers in them too and see how they go. So this side is my cherry tomatoes, as you can see. So with the cherry tomatoes, I'm growing them in lava rock. If you haven't seen my other videos, it's just all lava rock, nothing else. Yeah, I've had no problems with blockages. It's all drip fed through a line. It all runs back into my sump tank, and getting some really nice tomatoes on it. So I'm quite happy with it. Yeah, really nice. And really nicely, we'll just walk around the sweet potato, which is going quite good. That's just in a bucket. These tomatoes on this side are not too bad. Crop's not as good as it should be. They're starting to ripen up too. These are Gross Lisa. As for Gross Lisa tomatoes, like I said just a minute ago, really coming along nicely. The tomatoes are ripening up. I'm happy with them. New growth starting to come on with flowers, which is good. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Like I said, next year I will grow cucumbers in them and see how they go as well. I'll get another, what I got here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'll get another 15 to go up a bit further there, that way. And I'll put some more in and see how they go. So really happy with that. Yeah, that's basically what's happening with my tomatoes from the update from last time. Any questions, suggestions, please whack them down in the suggestion box. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and like what I'm doing, and don't forget to hit that like button, folks. Alright, that was just a quick video to show you my tomatoes and how they're going. Alright, have a good day and stay safe, folks. Bye.